Slow. Mawen Izdroya. Johnny. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I'm still practicing. Anyways, let's go. Everybody, so today we're gonna be doing some Kurdish TikTok because I know you guys like when I react to TikTok. So on my latest video, reacting to TikTok, you guys requested Kandul. Kandul, I don't know, her. You guys requested her. So I'm gonna give it a whirl and see who Kandul is. I'm excited. Hopefully it's a bob and not a flop. So let's watch. This is Kurdish TikTok. Okay. So let's go. Oh. That one got me, okay? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, she's good. Oh wow, she's good. The hair is really pretty. Okay. Oh wow. Her hair is amazing. Her hair. The hair. Hey, go ahead girl, get your life. Huh? Oh! Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh wow, she's good. She's good. Okay, yeah. Girl. It's fantastic. You can twist my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, something your creation. Yes. Okay, she look good. Hey. Is she doing savage or what? This is the Kurdish savage? I mean, she's really good, like creative in TikTok. Hey. Hey. I like that song. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Hey. I like that. My song! Come side. I love come side. You guys know that's my song, okay? Oh, that is so cool. De bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Hey, I like her.
Kurdistan Joanna.
Kurdistan Joanna.
Kurdistan Zor Joanna.
Kurdistan Joanna.
Kurdistan Joanna.
Kurdistan Zor Joanna.
Kurdistan Joanna.
Aman nasıl?
I approve her, I stand, I like her. She gave me moments and she's very creative doing TikTok. So she is good for me. I really like her. So I'm gonna follow her. Boop. Okay, love you guys so much. If you have another TikToker, Kurdistanish, let me know on the comments below so I can take a look and make a video. Okay, love you. More videos on the screen. And if you want to get a free bottle like this one for your water, the link down below will make you win one.